Well, good Monday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a show enough good Monday and a good start to a new week. Lord of mercy, if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over her, probably gonna be something. I thank y'all for coming back. But what I wanted to share with you and y'all today on this beautiful Monday afternoon is I wanted to give you an update on the grow light experiment I had going on over here at my home in the sticks. Give me a second, we finna get off in this shack and that's what we finna do. All right, Mom, let's get on with it. The grow lights. What do you think about them, Dan? Well, my two 4-foot shop lights running the T8 bulbs. I have nothing underneath them currently. That's where I had all my mater starts at. But what I do have up here under the full spectrum LEDs is I have some more maters that I did for my uncle. Some poblano peppers, some more peppers. These are lemon drop peppers and jalapenos. And I actually have some purple cone flowers going right here. Here are my black eyed Susans. I actually have some marigolds right here. And some more peppers. Tabasco's over there, and these are ahi something or others. But they're all, majority of this is peppers. All right, Dan, what do you think about the growing light setup and what they are doing? To be perfectly honest with you, I really do not see a difference using or growing under the T8 bulbs and the full spectrum LED lights. I don't see a big difference as far as things growing. They both grow everything pretty good, and I really don't have any complaints about it at all. Which way would I go the next go round? I'll just still use this setup. I mean, I bought the full spectrum LED lights, they work, and I also bought the 4-foot shop lights. They work as well. Given hindsight, I would probably just run the regular 4-foot shop lights with the T8 cool white and warm white bulbs, alternating them in sequence. I probably just run with that. What I will say is, and it may just be me, the 4-foot shop lights actually give off a little bit a bigger heat signature than the full spectrum LED lights. It might just be me, but to me they feel like they run a little bit warmer when you put your hands up underneath the bulbs. I don't really know if that's something that's just a really big thing. You know, it's an experiment. You see things and you're like, oh, okay, yeah, these T8 bulbs run a little bit warmer than the full spectrum LEDs. The another thing that I took into consideration, and it's something that I'm pretty analytic about, and that is power consumption. Now, I'm from the old school now. When I was growing up, if you had a light on and you wasn't in that room, you best shut it off, because yeah, there ain't no sense in having the lights on in a room that you ain't in. So I always think about running these lights for 12 hours a day, 7 days a week. What is that gonna do to your electricity bill, Dan? Well, I'm gonna show you. Okay, here is my power bill from last month. The electricity bill normally runs about $35 to run my shop and my shack normally, because I just don't have a whole bunch of things running either other than a refrigerator and a big deep freeze. But as you can see right here, this month's bill was $47.22. If I go back here and look at the usage, because they do it a year ago, last month, and a current month. Let's see, current is 266 kilowatt hours that I used this month. And last month I used 232 kilowatt hours. So basically I used 34 more kilowatt hours this month. Basically went up about 11 bucks. Now, I'm not really gonna complain about that at all. Again, I've been running these grow lights probably almost 2 months now, and my electricity bill went up 11 bucks. in a month's time, and that is running these grow lights, both sets of those grow lights, 12 hours a day, 7 days a week. Not really too concerned about that. My shoe come off. If I was just a guessing man, I would think that if I was just running 2 sets of the full spectrum LEDs, I think my power consumption would be a lot less. I do know that running the T8s are a lot cheaper than running the T12s or whatever them big long bulbs are. I know that the T8s are a little bit more energy efficient, but I do think that the full spectrum LEDs are a lot more efficient as far as power consumption. I'll factor that into the experiment as well. As far as growing the seedlings, I don't really think that there's a difference. I think the T8 bulbs and the full spectrum bulbs did pretty much a fair and even job on the seedlings. I will say that adding the fans into the mix along with the grow lights, I'm going to say that helped out a lot. And again, this is the first year that I have actually used grow lights. I've used heat and mats in the past, and last year I couldn't get really anything to grow seedling wise. I couldn't get anything to germinate. This year, on a scale of 1 to 100, I'm going to say I'm right around the 95, 98% mark, or 98 mark. Ooh, Lord. Mosquitoes out too. So I'm going to say that using the heat mats to start, once the seedlings bust the ground and emerge, moving on to putting them under some light along with the fans, I'm going to say that's a winner. I'm just going to keep using that system till something else that I can think of that's better. I really don't think that it's going to get any better. The one thing that I will do, again, the one thing that I will do differently next year, when I start my seedlings, I may not use the humidity dome. I am in zone 8B, so it's really hot and humid down here. We'll just have to see. Y'all, I wanted to do this quick little video just to give y'all an update on the grow light experiment. I think it is a success either way you look at it. I've had 90% germination on my seedlings, probably more than that, and I'm quite happy with that. Again, I hope everybody is having a sure enough good Monday, and I hope y'all are having a good start to a new week. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Hone the Sticks channel, oh, the mercy, y'all need to come on over and give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Really? With that being said, you know what's coming, Dan Referee Sure Enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You get your shine on, it's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.